Go, 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 go. Here we go. Baby back ribs on the grill right over the fire. There you have it. Baby back ribs. Better than chilies, my friends. Let's go step by step. Here's what we need. Obviously, you need your rack of baby backs and a few seasonings. As this is your preference, I'm giving you an idea here. So I'm using the butcher's all-purpose. I'm using garlic salt and a little bit of teriyaki marinade. And here's my rack of baby backs, the best baby backs. I'm gonna make some cuts here on top, not too deep, just like superficial cuts because I want to make sure that the spices go in there. So just with a knife, just cut them that way. I'm gonna take this membrane out. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. So you leave the corner with a knife, and then you need a paper towel, and then pull it out. This is my preference. Some people don't, but I think this has to get out of here, so I'm gonna just pull it out. Sometimes a little hard, but it does come out all the way. There you have it. It comes out, and this is just like a gummy thing that this is not even edible. So you just throw that away. And here's my rack, and we're gonna season it. Like I said, I'm using the all-purpose butcher's all-purpose here with some color, and I'm gonna go all over it. I'm not gonna be shy with my seasoning here. These are ribs that are going to the grill right now, so I'm not gonna marinate these for too long. So don't be shy with your seasoning. I'm gonna use some garlic salt as well. Garlic salt, especially on the meaty side. I'm not gonna put it anymore on the bone side. Garlic salt there, and I like to use a little bit of teriyaki marinade, little sprinkle, not too much, but this will give it like that smoky flavor. I liked it. If you don't like it, you can leave it out. I'm just giving you an idea, and that's all you need. Let's go outside. Yep, here we go. Here I have my grill, full power, and I'm gonna make sure I kind of lock the juices in there. So I'm gonna sear these baby backs over high fire here, high heat. So you're gonna sear for about a minute on each side. So 1 minute on each side. We're trying to sear the juices inside. Don't let it burn, but don't be afraid of that fire. You see the fire is coming up? Don't be afraid of that. It takes a while to burn it, so you just keep an eye on it. And you flip them around, and you give it another minute or so on that side. Like I said, full power. Don't be shy there. Don't be afraid. And then I'm gonna wrap it up. After that, wrap it up in foil. And I'm gonna give it 1 hour at 350. 1 hour, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 350 for 1 hour. Cover with foil, aluminum foil. There you have it. And then after the hour, we're just gonna take out that foil. But the ribs are actually cooked. So now we're gonna give it some color over the fire here. So meat side down. We're gonna leave it there a few minutes. Now the power is not all the way up, so I have it in like a low medium. I just wanna make sure that they take the right color. And when I'm satisfied with the color, just keep checking it. There, satisfied with the color. There you have it. And now you go with the sauce. The barbecue sauce of your preference, but put some sauce over that rack. You'll love it. They demand sauce, but not be shy with the sauce. You can't put too much sauce in there. So here you go. More sauce all over my baby bags, and then I'm gonna just flip them and do the same thing. Look how beautiful that color that is taking. Look how beautiful. That is the color that we're looking for. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just flip them over like that, and we're gonna put barbecue sauce as well on the side where most of the bones are. So the other side is the meaty side, but I want to make sure that all these bones are happy. Yeah, there you go. Happy bones. Happy bones, all lather with that barbecue sauce. Any sauce that you like. Any sauce that you like, you just go all over it. And that's about it. Painting. Not put too much sauce, I'm telling you. Now look how beautiful that other side of my baby back ribs. Baby back ribs right over fire here on my grill. And I'm gonna put some corn on the cob here. Some corn ears here. So this is how I'm gonna serve it today. It is optional. The video is about the ribs. I'm gonna put some butter right on top of my corn here. Some spray on butter and salt and pepper. That's how I'm gonna season my corn here. And again, the video is about the rib, but this is just an idea. It's a good way to eat these ribs on a summer day. There you have it. I'm gonna flip them around again, and that's the color that I was looking for. That's perfect. So this is ready for serving. I'm gonna take it out of here. Put them on a plate right here. My thing. Alright. Now we're gonna go inside and serve it. Baby back ribs. Better than chili. Look at that. Homemade baby back ribs with your favorite barbecue sauce. And now we're gonna serve them here on a plate with the corn. And there you have it. Baby back ribs. Homemade on the grill. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. I will see you next time.